One thing I post too much of.
We'll talk about this at home.
And why this trend has come in.
Hi, I'm Krishika. This is my mom Chetna.
Hi, I'm Aditi and this is my mom, Meri Pyari Bindu.
This is veteran L mom, Nipa Desai. We have seen her before. The hair's different, the outfit's different, but she's still the same.
When somebody looks at my Instagram, what do you think they would think that I do?
You are showing the beauty product, but there's no smile on your face. That's one thing you should always have. But the way you present is really good.
People would immediately catch that you have gone to so many places and they'll probably think that, oh, you haven't paid for this.
That's right. I mean, your money is my money now.
Not exactly, you have to earn them.
Your money is my money is my money.
So she keeps on taking this coffee challenges. So I feel that she's a coffee maker kind of a person, and that Dolly Chai Wala makes a lot of money. So I thought we are going to have an alternate profession for her, that is Kanni Coffee Wala.
We'll talk about this at home. Clearly, violence is frowned upon in public spaces. I'm going to show you my Instagram. So you have to audit my Instagram now. Yeah?
This one looks like Ayashi, total Ayashi you girls are having.
I really don't understand why this trend has come in. Putting a blur picture, what do you really understand in this?
It's a vibe.
But still, I wouldn't put such a picture.
She's wearing that specs, which is not required actually, and she keeps on doing that all the time. And one spec is lying in the bathroom, one in the bedroom, and she loves to do that. And makeup, that is her forte, so I can't say anything about it.
Oh, you're dressed to kill, Aditi. But you look also like would like to kill someone.
What about this one?
Caption, stop and smell the roses. There are no roses around. I really don't know where are you looking at. Not at flowers.
I'm trying to pose.
Could have been better.
Kindle makes her day, because when she wants to get away from me, the Kindle is the one place. She would just take that in her hand, so I have to keep quiet. That's a sign that I have to keep quiet. And coffee is her poison.
Love of my life. Coffee is the love of my life.
Lover. So yeah, good, but you can do better, I know.
Oh my god. Okay. I guess I can do better.
Okay, so I have a video from back in the day. I think this was 2003. I'll let the video speak for itself.
As soon as I see, I can remember the time. So these were the times when I used to shoot a lot of videos of you. You're just a baby. You're not even 1 year old. So you're trying to pick up the phone and you're mimicking us adults speaking.
Picture is really good. The nightmare was finding something for you, which you wanted. And I remember hopping shops, searching for the same thing, and finally we found it. And then see that cute smile on it after getting it.
It's worth it.
This is, I think, our very first photo together, kind of when she was growing up. She was just, I think, a year and a half. So we used to go to that child specialist, and the child specialist used to tell us, "माँ बाप ही सारा खाना खाते हो क्या? बेटी को कुछ देते नहीं हो खाने के लिए?" So we used to get that as a,
Let's bring the child specialist here now. Let's
Now, yeah.
talk to her now.
She was actually premature, so she was tiny little thing, My husband was like, lifting her, and so yeah, this photo brings a lot of memory.
But like, what would you caption this?
My beautiful family.
Mom's the mother of cliches.
Yeah. Oh, my beautiful family, that's what it is actually.
Finally ready to rock or something like that with Christmas.
It is a rock chick look, like a bit grunge. So, what would you caption this video?
So talkative, Aditi.
You had an Instagram, what would you post first?
First dance.
Dance and coffee. Same coffee, but 10,000 pictures of that. And K-pop idols. Gong you. God.
When I go on my travels, I could post something about that. You go, yeah.
I would put something witty from my husband, and then after that her.
What should I delete right now from my Instagram?
I think that Ayashi wala photo.
The blur picture.
Blur picture got so many likes. It's
But
a vibe.
still.
I can't.
Photos with the bras.
Those are not bras, mummy.
I know those are bralets, but still.
one thing I post too much of.
You post too much of your own self.
She posts everything too much of, especially coffees, the beauty products.
I see beauty in everything.
Yeah, Instagram is good to go. You should put more posts about me. That's what is missing, I think.
Say 8.5.
Okay. Why the 2 points?
Yeah, 2 points is like put something other than beauty products also. Yeah, beauty products are fine. With a smile.
Your Instagram is yes, but you should share a lot of pictures with me. Otherwise, also.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma.
I love you, beta.
So happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you, Aditi. Thank you so much.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.